What we got going on, babe?
We're about to go get something to eat.
We haven't vlogged anything all day. Where we at?
We are in Louisville, Kentucky. We're about to go to the conference. We're gonna have a dinner tonight, and right now we're gonna go get some food because Rigel's been sleeping for 4 hours.
And we hungry.
And we're super hungry. So
all right, let's do it.
Off we go.
Alright, y'all, we're in this Logan Street Market. It's pretty cool. We got Rigel over there supervising. It's got like a whole bunch of little eateries, all kinds of cool stuff. We got Crystal.
Robert found this out because he went and got us coffee this morning, and the coffee place is in here, so.
Yeah, coffee place is in here. Got an outdoor seating area right here. We just ordered some poke bowls. Actually, it's bulgogi or something like that. We don't know. We just said we wanted a lot of meat with no carbs, so we'll see what they fix us up with in just a minute. Put your feet in the air like you just don't care. And that's a good looking foot right there. That is a good looking foot.
You're so weird.
What's up, y'all? Just got done training at the factory gym. Sit behind me there. Pretty good, hardcore, old school blood and guts gym. Just signed up for a week pass, got done crushing full body. About to go get a shower and get ready for this conference. Alright, y'all. Coming back from the gym now. Show you the Airbnb. So this is the front porch. We're kind of like right in the middle of downtown, which I'm not really a fan of. I feel like we're kind of in the middle of too crowded of an area. But let's check it out. So you come into the Airbnb. Oh. Drop your keys.
Scare you.
Here, scare me. Here's the kitchen. Here's the Crystal and the Rigel. But got a little living room area going on here. Pretty nice little kitchen actually.
Yeah.
And then we got a little bitty half bath here. And like the world's smallest sink. I've never in my life seen a sink that small. Don't understand it. But we got our little master bathroom here, or bedroom rather. Master bedroom.
With all of our mess.
Bathroom. Tub, toilet, shower, all that jazz. And then
these floors are like
pretty good sized closet.
Crickety.
Uber crickety. And then upstairs, let's see what we got. We got 2 bedrooms up here. I think that step's taller than the other ones. I almost trip every time.
Every time, the second time.
So, shower, toilet, kitchen, or not kitchen, sink. And then little bedroom here. Kind of a funky looking bed, but there's that. Then another bedroom here, and there's all this horse racing stuff because this is where the Kentucky Derby is. So, what?
You say Kentucky.
Kentucky. What do you think, Rigel? Other horse stuff, horse decor.
I followed you because they only had 1 towel down here, so I wanted to see if they had more.
What you think about it? Boom, chicka boom boom. Alright, y'all, we're back to the Airbnb. Kevin and Josiah are here. They picked up some food. They went and got some food. They picked up some food for me. Had some smoked wings and an elk burger. 2 elk burgers, no bun, of course. About to go to bed. It's 11 p.m. right now, which is way past my bedtime. We're gonna wake up early, get the booth set up, and rock and roll with this conference. So, we'll see you in the morning. What's going on, y'all? It is Saturday morning. We are here at the booth. We got Josiah and Kevo cutting up some bricks, and we're getting ready. I'm speaking at 10 a.m., so getting caffeinated for that. It's gonna be a good day. Y'all get ready. What is going on, y'all? We're just jamming here. So one of the attendees, his name is Greg. His dad used to make handcrafted wooden toys. His dad's name is Sterling, and he passed away a few years back. And he was kind enough to give us all these, like a box full of all these super cool wooden toys. So awesome,
that his dad
awesome.
Made.
Yeah, his
Handmade.
dad made. So Rigel's a little young, but he'll be playing with these in no time. So super excited about that. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Sterling. You're the best.
Totally our style of play toys, for sure. We're excited about it.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, what's up?
All right, so it is 9:24 p.m. and we just got back to our Airbnb. We just went to the Brazilian Steakhouse in Louisville, and which is right down the road from the Galt Hotel where we have been at. We are probably going to shower, crash, and that's it. We're going on a walk at 7:30 tomorrow morning. So, time to go to bed. He slept the whole time. Oh, well, I'd say 80% of the time we were at the steakhouse, so that was really nice for me. So.
What do you think about it, Kimbo?
It was delicious. Josiah won the meat challenge.
Sure
Josiah
did.
won the meat challenge.
Ate so much meat.
I think he ran up to his bedroom to go puke, though.
Oh my gosh.
But it's good. The day's been good. I feel like the conference has been great. I enjoyed the presentations. I feel like everything was good. Everybody's been super sweet. So we're gonna call it a day, head to bed, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, hello, y'all. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. Just poured my first cup of coffee. Take a sip real quick. We are starting the day off with working on my 7-Set Sunday newsletter right now. Actually, Crystal woke up, Rigel's still snoozing, and we are going to do a 4.5-mile walk with the event people, all the attendees. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I guess I'll see you in a little bit. How you looking, Crystal?
How am I looking?
Yeah, show you the world.
Show
Crystal's
the world
morning
me.
face.
Everyone's seen my morning face. Hello, this is my morning face.
I just kept getting in trouble.
He
Crystal
didn't
got
get-
me in trouble.
He didn't get in trouble, but I did need a little help with Rigel.
Yeah,
And
and
he
apparently I'm
didn't-
oblivious.
Yes.
So here's a parenting lifestyle 101. When your wife walks to you in the morning and says, "You don't do shit around here."
I didn't say that.
She didn't say that.
Okay.
What'd you
Bye.
say?
I said I needed more help.
All right. I'll help you more, baby. I love you.
Love you too. Hey, Kev Boat. What are we doing?
We're on a little walk on the riverfront in Louisville.
Yep, we're doing a 4.5-mile walk. Louisville. Let's see. We got a bunch of people behind us, in front of us. Got Rigel down there. Being cute.
Yeah, my sweater. I'm cold now.
Woo! I don't know that this does it justice.
Kind of pretty on camera as it is in real life.
It's great out here. I'm gonna have to take the sweatshirt off soon.
Yeah.
Now where?
Putting everything up, putting things away. Pterodactyl baby.
What is going on, y'all? So we've had a pretty busy day. So we got that clip of us wrapping up the booth. Then there was a wedding. I don't think we captured any of that on
We
camera.
didn't.
So, little context here. Last year at Ketopalouza, 2 of the individuals were there and one proposed on stage at Ketopalouza, which was awesome. So they were engaged this year. And then Autumn is apparently an ordained minister. Can marry people. Did not know that. So they just got married at this Ketopalouza too, which was kind of crazy.
It was a
but
surprise to everyone except for like them and Autumn and
yeah, super big surprise, but we didn't even think to film that because we didn't even have the camera on us at the time. But very, very cool. And then we went back, got a workout in. Then we went and got some keto tacos at a local Mexican restaurant. These things were made with cheese shell tacos, which was pretty cool. And then there wasn't that very many of them, so we came back home and ate more food. And now we're gonna go to bed. And then we're gonna leave early tomorrow and travel, hit the road.
Rigel, how old are you?
4 months.
4 months.
4
At the time
months.
of our first Ketopalouza.
Ketopalouza, 4 months. Here we go. Boom.
All right. Well, I guess we'll talk to you guys later.
See you in the morning. Maybe we
Oh
won't get clipped.
no. What do we got going on, Rigel?
Turn me loose. Turn me loose.
Robert hasn't
I
stopped
wanna
doing that.
do it my way. Or no way at all.
Okay, well, I'm stuck in the car with this goober butt. We're at Starbucks right now. We're getting a coffee. What are we ordering?
Hey, good morning. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Morning. Can I get a venti Americano decaf with extra steamed heavy cream?
You said a venti Americano, decaf. We're doing heavy cream and we're gonna steam it. Did you say extra heavy cream?
Yeah, extra heavy cream.
Okay, let me fix that.
You-
What else?
I'm gonna get a what's the next size down? Grande?
Grande, yes.
Can I get a grande Americano that is not decaf,
Gotcha.
with extra steamed heavy cream as well?
Perfect.
You the
What
bomb.
else?
That'll do it. Okay.
All right, so I got a venti decaf Americano with extra steamed heavy cream. And then I have a grande regular Americano with extra steamed heavy cream. And let me fix this real quick because I'm next to them.
We like
I
things
don't suppose
creamy.
You have any sparkling water too, by chance?
I actually do. I have.
Yes, please, me too.
No, actually, let me not lie to you. Let me make sure I still have it in stock.
Okay,
Alrighty.
so
Okay, so I have my lime and
Hold.
then just regular.
Can we get one of each?
okay, so we like things
Alrighty,
creamy.
there you
A
go.
lot of times they don't put enough cream in it.
Thank you.
So, anyways, we got Americanos with steamed heavy cream and 2 sparkling waters. And she got me the plain one. And then,
You don't like mine.
thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Have a good one.
And then, we're on the road. We just left, so we should be getting home.
Pacer Drive Northwest.
We'll probably
Then
end
turn
up.
left.
We'll probably end up getting home at like 6:30 or 7, but it says that we're gonna get there at 5:15. Rigel keeps trying to lift out of his seat, but little does he know we have a 9-hour drive ahead of us. Yeah, here we go. It's about 9:25. I'm gonna drink my coffee.
At the stop
Oh,
sign,
and
turn
I
left
got my
onto
brick
Pacer
out
Drive
too,
Northwest.
but
Then
my
turn
lap is
left
kind of
onto
full.
State
So
Road 135 North.
I'm gonna eat a chocolate malt brick with my coffee because that's my absolute favorite thing in the world. But I gotta go because I gotta go get my seatbelt on and eat my brick. See ya. What is going on, yo? We have made it back to Fayetteville. We're at Taziki's right now. I'm getting a salmon salad. We got no dressing, but we went to Whole Foods and I got some olive oil. Crystal got some good dressing and chicken on hers. Chicken with extra chicken. And then I got Primal Kitchen to go on mine.
But
Should we say our goodbyes?
yeah, we're gonna call it a wrap on this vlog.
Did we say we're in
The-
Fayetteville?
We're in Fayetteville, yeah. Back home pretty much. Ketopalouza was amazing. Thank you, Autumn, for the opportunity to speak. Amazing conference. And before Rigel eats
Rigel.
my food, I'm gonna eat my food. So, we'll see you next time. Let go of that.